I was watching a video on polenta recently on YouTube, and I absolutely love polenta, especially the kind where you make it into a kind of loaf and you cut slices and then serve it with some kind of tomato or meat sauce. And I wondered why I didn't make it very often. And then the lady on the video reminded me that you have to stir it for about 50 minutes.
45 minutes, 50 minutes.
Then I started thinking, is there some way to actually get some kind of gadget which automatically stirs the pan? And I thought maybe I'd thought of like a multi-million-pound invention, but then I Googled it and they already existed, so that's good in a way. And that's why I ordered this Ambiano automatic pot stirrer. This cost, I think it was £19.95 from eBay. So let's have a look. Oh, ALDI. Interesting. So I think this must be the main device. Or the stirring hand. Oh no, this is the thing that attaches to the top of the pan, isn't it? Got the charger. These are the paddles which stir the contents of the pan. And this must be the drive unit. Okay. I'll try and put it together without reading the instructions first of all. That's the top. That goes right through the top. Let's have a look at the picture. Oh, this is meant to have a kind of a cap somewhere. Have I missed something? Okay. Let's start again. Oops. I think once that comes off. Oh no. Right, now I have to undo it again. Okay, I'm not sure if that's right or not, but that's probably still faster than reading the instructions. And let's see if there's some power in it. No, it doesn't look like it. Charging port. Okay, let's charge this up a bit and then come back a bit later. I was just having a quick look at the instructions. There's not a lot of interesting stuff, just the general bump, to be honest. Risk of electric shock, risk of damage, blah blah blah. Do not drop this product as this may damage it. Do not put the product in an oven. Operation. Speed button. High speed and low speed. Where's the speed button? Okay. Yeah. I was interested in this faults and troubleshooting. There's only two. The product does not start and the product stops during operation. This is the one I'm worried about trying to make polenta. The food may be too heavy to stir. So I think that's going to be the real problem, but let's see how it goes in the next video with actually making some polenta with this. Anyway, so yep, it only seemed to take about half an hour to charge, even though it was completely empty to begin with. The light was red to begin with, and then it went to flashing green, and then it went to solid green within half an hour. I'm assuming solid green means it's fully charged, but I don't know how long it's meant to last. So you just press this button to turn it on. It seems to change speed on its own. Starts off fast and then goes slow. And I have not used this before, but I'm assuming this is the speed control. Oh. Okay. Yeah, it just changes on its own. Okay, now it's staying on high speed. Okay, so you get a blue light for high speed and a green light for low speed, it looks like. Kind of weird button, to be honest. So let's try and fit it onto a pan. Okay, that seems easy enough. Extend the arms. Wonder how powerful it is. So that's quite powerful. That is pretty powerful. So it might work. I don't think it's going to stir the polenta all the way, but it might do it kind of 90% of the way, possibly. It is quite powerful actually when you try and hold back the stirrers, the paddles. I don't think it's going to be able to stir the polenta right up to the final stage where it's one big clump like a thick dough, but it might get it sort of 80 or 90% of the way. So if it does it for sort of 30 or 40 minutes and you just have to stir it yourself for the final 10 minutes, that would be a result, I think. So anyway, yeah, tune into the next video when we'll be actually trying to use this to make some polenta